Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about increment method. So now I want to show you how to answer. So about y, we need to put about delta y, and s we need to change by s delta s. Next, I will put y go to the right. And we know that y that is about this one. Next, we do common denominator of this one. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, s to the power of number 3, I will put outside. So this one we can solve. Next, we can use about this limit. That is about delta s approach to number 0 of delta y over delta s. We know that delta y that is about this one. Next, delta s divided by this one, and this one. Now, we put number 0 going here, here, and here. So we need to simplify it. This one, we have s to the power of number 6. And now we need to simplify it. And we have negative number 1 over s to the power of number 4. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.